upon a long time ago in Lanfar County, I got introduced to ramen, noodles, and chicharrones. Now the beauty about ramen noodles is you can do whatever the fuck you want with these things. Some people like to put hot dog in them, salami, bologna, you name it, está un pinche huevo estrellado on it. That's a fried egg for those of you that no one habla. So this is what the beauty about this. This is what we're gonna do with this thing, okay? Today we're gonna have the chicharrones. Okay, crush them up a little bit. All right. Remember, these things are pretty high in sodium, but if it tastes good to me, I don't give a fuck, don't hatch. Right? You get about a half a cup of chicharrones, put it right on top. Bam, just like that. Get some hot water. You want to put a little bit extra water, maybe like an extra cup. Why? Because these fucking chicharrones are very thirsty. They will suck up all the water up, man. All right? Now, normally I will shove some onion in here, some cilantro, and I don't fucking have one, and I'm too fucking tired to go to the store and get some. So, I mean, I didn't have it back then in fucking land far, bumfucked Egypt behind bars then. So, this is gonna have to do. Oh, I forgot. Habanero sauce. Just like that, boys. Check that out. Oh, dude. Let me throw some hair on your ass. Alright. Put a lid on it. There it is, guys. Just like that. It's fucking good. Try it. Or don't. So with that being said, don't forget to hit the like button, share, subscribe, and comments down below because you never know what kind of crazy shit I might be posting next. And with that, my friends, yo me voy a chingar esta pinche sopa. I'm gonna go have my soup.